Hi guys, welcome back to BioBuddy, and in this video we have brought to you another video about the respiratory system, but the topic is different. The topic for today is the lung capacity and lung volume, right? So the lung volume and lung capacity means that whatever be the lung capacity, the amount of air which is being stored for inspiration and expiration has to be somebody in liters, 500 liters, 3100 ml or liters. In this video, we will be talking about how much of the air is being exhaled and how much of the air is being inhaled during the breathing process and during the process of respiration. So the first topic of the today's video is tidal volume. Tidal volume is the total volume of the air which is being inhaled or exhaled during normal breathing. That is only 500 ml of air is the total amount of air which we are breathing or exhaling or inhaling out. That is the tidal volume. That is the total amount of air which is being inhaled or exhaled out is called as tidal volume, and the amount is only 500 ml. Next is the minute ventilation. Minute ventilation is in single minute. If a normal healthy person is breathing 12 times in a minute, if a healthy human being is breathing 12 times in a minute, that means it takes about 500 ml. That is 6000 ml is the total inhaled air, or 6 liters is the total inhaled air which we are taking in. This is known as minute ventilation. Next is inspiratory reserve volume, that is IRV. Inspiratory reserve volume is the additional volume of the air which is inhaled after normal. जैसे आप normally breathe करते हो, inhale करते हो, तो normal inhalation के बाद जो आप थोड़ी सी extra additional और ले लेते हो air, उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Inspiratory reserve volume, and this amount is written here, that is 3100 ml. 3100 ml of the air is taken in, so that is called as inspiratory reserve volume. Now next is the inspiratory capacity. IC stands for inspiratory capacity. Inspiratory capacity basically means the total number of air into the lung, that is the total volume plus inspiratory reserve volume, that is 500 ml plus 3100 ml, which will make it to 3600 ml. So this will be IC. Next is expiratory reserve volume. Expiratory reserve volume is the additional volume of the air exhaled after normal exhalation. अगर आप normally exhale out कर रहे हो, if you are exhaling out the air, and if you are exhaling some additional amount of air along with it, so that will be expiratory reserve volume. That is the additional amount of air exhaled after normal exhalation. And ठीक है, उसके बाद आते हैं हम रेजिडुअल वॉल्यूम पे. द मिनिमम वॉल्यूम ऑफ द एयर विच इज योर alveoli are not empty all the time. Some of the air has to be there in the alveoli. Your alveoli is never empty. So कुछ amount of जो air आपके alveoli में रह जाती है, उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? वो थोड़ा सा जो अमाउंट होता है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? रेजिडुअल वॉल्यूम. दैट इज योर alveoli, they are never empty. Always some amount of air is there in your alveoli. So that volume of air which is always present in your alveoli is referred as residual volume, and that is 1200 ml, right? Next is the functional residual volume or functional residual capacity. It is the volume of air which is left into the lungs after normal expiration. अगर आप expire कर रहे हो, अगर आप कुछ amount of air breathe out करते हो, breathe out करने के बाद थोड़ी सी जो air होती है जो lungs में बची हुई होती है, that is residual volume plus expiratory reserve volume, that is 1200 plus 1200, that gives you 2400 ml, right? So this is the total amount of functional residual capacity. Next is the vital capacity, that is the volume of the air exhaled after deepest inspiration. कितनी volume of the air? थोड़ी सी volume होती है जो exhale करने के बाद deepest in है. Volume of the air exhaled, जितनी हम volume exhale out करती हैं, जितना आप deep inspiration लोगे, after you inspire it deeply, the amount of air which is exhaled out is called as the vital capacity. That is total volume, inspiratory reserve volume plus expiratory reserve volume makes it 500 plus 3500 plus 1200 gives 4800. Next is total lung capacity, that is the total amount of the air which is stored inside the lung, that is reserve volume and the vital capacity. ठीक है, RV plus that is 1200 plus 4800, that's 6000 ml. यहाँ पे भी था कितना अमाउंट ले सकते हैं, that is 6000 ml. ठीक है. Next is anatomical dead space. Now an anatomical dead space is the area in which 50% or 30% of the, for example 150 ml out of the 500 ml that you are exhaling in, 500 ml आप एक बारी में एक सेकेंड में एक ब्रेथ में लेते हो, तो आप कितने टाइम्स ब्रीथ कर रहे हो? 12. तो ये कितना हो जाएगा? 6000 ml. अब जब 500 ml अंदर आ रहा है, उसमें से ओनली 150 क्या करते हैं, ओनली 350 जो ml है वो जा रहा है आपकी एल्वियोलाई में स्टोर होने. जो बाकी होता है वो कहाँ ब्लॉक हो जाता है? ट्रैकिया, फेरिंग्स एंड लैरिंग्स में. So the 150 ml or the 30% part, 30% of the air which is present, which is blocked inside these passages, that is called as the anatomical dead space, and the rest of it is stored in the alveoli and is used for the further process. This part is not used anywhere. It is not taking part in the process of respiration. So I hope you guys are getting whatever is understood, whatever is written. I hope you guys are understanding things, and all the best. Share this video as much as possible, and if you're liking the video, guys, click the bell icon, subscribe my channel and like my videos. Thank you.